All right, YouTube. This was what I've been doing, man, doing body work, because the paint job that this guy did was horrible, man. And I just got tired of dealing with it. So I took it upon myself to knock it all down to bare metal. And this side wasn't that bad. I just had a little Bondo right there, down there, and in the back over there, which I'm gonna have the paint man, take care of that. But this is where I had the big problem at, y'all, on this side. All down this behind this driver's side right here. Look at that, man. Now, I didn't paid this guy to paint my car. He could have told me, like, man, you had all this Bondo right here. I think you need to, buy new metal and put right there. So I'm saving myself some labor, and I just took it down to bare metal, man, and start all over. But over the winter, I don't know, I was gonna cut that out and weld it back in myself, but I don't feel confident enough to do that. Don't get me wrong, I was gonna try, but I think I'm gonna leave that up to the body man. I'm gonna just go buy the piece and have them cut it out and weld it back in. But that's why I haven't been driving. But other than that, it's running pretty good. It's running good, I just want it to look good. So I just, took it down to bare metal, and I'm gonna prime it myself. Try to save myself a little labor. So this is the steps. I know I've been gone for a while, but another thing, my credentials wasn't right. I had to pay some fines to get my license back, so that wasn't gonna be good. Can't drive comfortable without no license. So got all my stuff back legit, so we're gonna be doing some driving this summer. Next summer, went and got me another little new toy over here. Let me let y'all check it out. I hurried up and went and put the remove the mufflers and all that. Let me get y'all a cold start of this. Sound pretty good. It's not black. It's like a navy. It's like a midnight blue. I'm holding my cell phone, y'all. That's why it's kind of shaky. But yeah, it's like a midnight blue. But back to this Nova, y'all. We're gonna get this thing together. I'm gonna prime it. Try to get all the try to clean up all this rust off of here and prime as much as I can. And on this side, man, I'm gonna take down as much as I can and just slap some primer on it until it gets to the paint shop, so I can at least kind of drive it around town and tune it or whatever, have a little fun with it before the winter hit. But y'all stay tuned, man. I'm gonna start back posting on my channel now that I'm legit now, because I had to park because my license was kind of screwed up and I work from home. So, but we back in action. Appreciate y'all watching. I'm out.